Hello, my name is Ignacio, and I'd like to introduce you the new invention, the new Thumbstick. Can you see it? It works great. This beautiful stick, you want to see how easy you can get the screen out of the light. So check it out. Grabs, takes, costs $5. So let me know if you want one, okay?
Thumbstick.
Thumbstick.
Redo. Thumbstick.
Yeah, the thumbstick works. I mean, I think it does.
Ta-da! Okay, so let us know if you want one for yourself. Costs $5, so let me know if you want one, okay? This works great, okay? So check it out.